That.
Boom! What's up? We have both of we have my mom, my sister with me. My mom probably gonna be more of the narrator, and me and my sister are going to be making the soap. We're going to show you make soap. So let's jump into it. We'll be making technically three different kinds of soap. So first of all, we'll talk about the ingredients.
All right, so hi, this is going to be, I think Ali forgot to mention, this is going to be a two-part video. The first part we'll show how to make the soap, and the second part would be how to pack them. So we are making this for one of the school project, and I have my two helpers here. Okay, so let's talk about the ingredients. All right, so we have some melt and pour soap base. Okay, this one is more like glycerine, as you can see, and this one is goat milk base. Okay, again, this is very easy to find. You can find it in like online stores right now. We'll show that at the end.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you know, you can find easily on Amazon, etc. So this is the main ingredient for our soap making. The second thing that I wanted to show was there are two scents that you can actually put.
This
So
is
one-
lavender and this is sandalwood, and you can use them to scent the soap.
Yeah, which
And
one
I
do you
really love this one. And we've never used all of them.
like? Okay, what about, okay, the next one, very important, is this chopstick. I know this is meant for only eating, but here we are going to use this chopstick for mixing these soap base after we melt them, okay, to make sure that there are no lumps. All right, so shall we start? I have
Wait.
2 cups
Wait, fine.
here.
This is like how it probably will look. And this is sandalwood, and this is lavender. Me and my sister made it. Earlier. Well, except these ones are made of shapes, and these ones are just flat kind.
Correct.
They'll turn out to look like a small part of them, but not really completely like them.
Yeah, and we found this also on Amazon. So this can be used for soap making or for cookies, etc. Okay?
Can we start already?
Yes, let's start.
Okay.
Okay, so which cup do you want and which cup?
I
do
want
you
this one.
Okay, so now we are going to use, now Nandini, which one do you want to make? You wanted to make glycerine one or the white one?
This one.
Okay, so put at least 12 of these cubes. 12, you need to count. And Adi, you want to make white, the goat milk? 12, put 12 of these cubes. And as you can see, in the meantime, these are like, I've cut this into small pieces. So I'll just come a little closer and show. So 12 of these to start off with.
Okay. 7.
Wait a minute.
8.
I need to retry this.
Okay, that's okay. You don't have to be exact, but you know,
if you mess up, it's fine.
it's fine. Yeah, you don't have to be
You
exact.
guys can take all the time you need. Pretty much.
Are you done with yours?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna make again 2
Alright, I'm done now.
of
Okay,
these,
so-
2 of these, and 1 of them.
Okay.
So try to get almost all the combinations.
Okay, so now we are going to use a microwave to melt. So I'm just going to put both the cups here.
It's about like 1 minute.
Now, I think you don't need to melt more than 15 seconds.
15
So I'm just going to say
30 seconds.
put the 30 seconds.
And
But
then
then-
stop it at 15.
Yes, after that we have to use this chopstick to make
Yeah.
sure that there are no lumps, right? And Mishti, did you get this?
Yeah, did you get it, Miss
Did you
Tan?
get it? Awesome. Okay, so
Yeah.
now I'm going to remove this since this is a little hot. So I'm going to take care. So now see, as you see, it's melting a little bit, but still not there, right? So I'm going to check the other one as well, the milk base. the milk base is melting much more faster than the glycerine one. So that's okay. We're going to just close this and hit start. This is a very, very fun activity to do with kids, and I found this interesting because it's not too tough. At the same time, something different for their school projects. Okay.
I think you got it at your Google office, right?
Yeah, I learned in my office, so which was really fun. Even so this has melted a lot, but we are going to keep it in for a couple of more seconds because this still has lumps. But let's see. Oh, this is melted really nicely. But let's just keep it for a few more seconds. I think this one we can. There's a little bit of lump. I'm just going to mix this, make sure, and then just add a couple of seconds for this. So Adi, in the meantime, do you want to select what? Do you want to use sandalwood or lavender for your soap?
We're gonna use both anyway, so
Which one do you want?
let's since I didn't do sandalwood last time, I'll do this.
You want sandalwood? Okay. And let's quickly see if this one also. Oh wow, it's very hot. Ooh, it's very hot. We may have to see. It's like melted, but I might have heated for a little bit longer, which it's fine.
Nothing
We'll
wrong.
just keep it for 2 minutes. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Okay. So which one do you want to use, Adi?
Sandalwood.
Sandalwood. Okay.
We're gonna use both.
Correct. But for this, what do you want to pour? Sandalwood? Okay. So let's do one thing. Let me just switch on this
just
vent line.
open
Come
this?
here. Yeah. Open. And I'm just going to which one is that? This one, yeah? Right?
Yeah.
Very, very few drops. You don't need a lot. Right? Yeah. Nandini, you want to use sandalwood or you want to use lavender?
Yeah, I'll use that.
Sandal?
Can I see how it smells?
Yeah.
Very
Alright.
good.
So
Yeah.
next one.
You want to try lavender also and see how it smells and then decide?
Okay.
Okay.
Can I
How about you do lavender?
Okay.
Yeah, first smell and see which one she likes.
I'll just take this one.
Yeah. My God, I really love lavender. It's really nice smell. Okay. So you want to do sandalwood as well. So again,
Yeah.
I'm pouring. I'm sorry. Yeah, let me do this because the soap base after melting is very hot, and we want to make sure. Okay, just few drops. A little bit more.
Didn't look like you were pouring anything, but
No, it did
Whatever.
because And then I'm using this again to mix. See, it's getting thick. It's thickening. The soap is, the soap base is thickening. But anyways, I'm just going to mix it really, really quickly. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for the glycerine one. Mix it really, really quick. Okay, now the other thing is that you can also add some of the ingredients, like for example saffron, or if you want to add, okay Adi, this is yours and this is yours, or you want to add like turmeric or anything that you want to add to the soap. Just be careful that whatever you add to your soap base is going to land upon your on your bathtub or wherever you use the soap. So you have to be very careful about that. So it's hot, so I will pour it. Okay, so this is the mold. I'm just going to keep it on this and pour. So Adi, what do you want? Shall, like, we have these different kind of shapes.
Heart.
Hard. Okay, I'm gonna pour on hard.
wait a second. That's mine.
That's okay. Where do you want?
I'll take the star.
The star. Okay. Anything else? I think I can use for one more.
I think
Maybe this one or this one.
this one.
Okay. We can use a little bit more on the heart. More here. More here. Just make sure that, I think whatever you used is good for like 3 molds. Okay, Adi. Oh, yours got a little bit thickened. So maybe we can just put it in the microwave for a couple of more seconds. 1 second. Make sure it. Just for a few seconds. And Adi, do you have any particular shape preference, or you want to go with a different mold? Because, or can we use the same one?
Yeah, same one.
Okay. Can you select what you want? Which one do you want?
Is there anyone in heart?
Not in this one, but you have it on the other one. Okay.
I'll choose purple with heart,
Okay, bring it here, please.
circle, and star.
Okay. Yeah, bring it here.
Can you just drop a little bit in
Mommy,
each?
actually, can I
So I
actually,
can
Mommy,
add in
can I
this
pick
one?
one of these, Mommy?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Because I got 3.
I know. Yeah, what do you want to
pick
pick?
one of mine.
Yeah, pick. You go first. What do you want? Quickly, before this gets...
I pick this one.
Okay. Okay, Adi heart.
Yeah. Can you share a little bit and then a little bit?
Which
and
one?
then the star.
Star.
Can you also drop a little bit in this?
I don't think so. We don't have enough for... I think what we have is enough for, like, 3, like how we have only for 3 here, right? So we have only enough for 3 molds. Okay, so we have already placed, this needs to cool down. So we are going to leave this for, say, 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, we can show you in the second part of the video, right? How to remove this and pack.
But first we need to do also the next ones and the other ones. So we'll maybe take a little bit more time in the part 2, right?
Oh, you want to make the layered one?
Yeah, and then we'll
Okay,
just
so let's do that.
This one, next one, we'll do all lavender and then
So let's do this.
we'll do both.
This one was the glycerine one, right? And then why don't you put another 12 cubes in this one, and Adi take another 12 cubes in the white ones. And then what we can do is we'll do the layered, and we can show how to do the layered.
Okay. 1, 2. We're gonna do both of us lavender.
That's fine. We can.
Yeah, so
We can
that
always.
because you did sandalwood last
Mhm.
time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay.
10,
Is it?
11.
Did you put 12?
Yeah.
You have 12 as well? Can I have the cup, please?
Yep.
So again, I'm going to.
Just put it there and let it rock.
Yeah, let's keep this here because we will need it. So what we are trying now is having a layered soap. Like we are going to pour maybe the white paste first and then we're going to let it cool down for some time and then add the glycerine soap base on top of that. So when we look into the soap when it is done, it's going to be in layers. Again, you can add, like, for example, flower petals, or we had anything that you want to add in that, so it'll look really pretty. Okay, let's see. Okay, I want to show again. This is like melted, but then we have to keep moving this. Let's check the other one as well.
Why are we keeping this open?
Because I may have to put this in again. So I think maybe just for a couple of seconds and then they both will be ready. And
go.
you want lavender flavor this time?
Yeah, both of us are gonna have
Lavender?
Yeah.
And then the last one will do gold.
Mixed?
Yeah, mixed. With either one of them, we don't know.
Okay. Are we good on the time?
Yeah, 14 minutes will already go.
Oh, okay. Then,
Let's fast forward into the next.
yeah. That's okay. We can, there are different varieties that you can basically do. For example, layered, and then either, as Adi was mentioning, you can also mix the two kind of, soap base and then make it one soap. So the rectangle soap that they were showing before, that was something, that we kind of mixed both the bases together and made that. Okay, so let's quickly mix lavender. Which one was that? This one.
Lavender with the bowl. And that should be. That's about it.
Like this.
Well, all of the 5 people in our family are in the kitchen. Surprise.
She's very excited. I think she likes the smell of the soap.
She thinks it's cookies or
Maybe.
ice cream that we are making.
We just had ice cream, so I think she thinks that we're gonna have more ice cream. Okay, so I mix this. I'm just going to put the white paste first. Okay, do you have any preference of shape, or should I just start pouring? Nandini, do you have any preference for shape? Like which one?
This one.
Because I can't
Can you
change
try?
that.
Can you try this one?
Yeah, because I have to pour the glycerine on. Okay, Adi, you pick. Quick.
I'll just pick any, really.
Any?
Yeah. Is there a star? No, there's only
Okay.
those.
Now one last pick.
Another circle.
Another circle.
Actually, no, the other one.
This one.
So just dump
Okay.
it in.
Then I think I have one more. Nandini, which one?
What?
Shape. Pick a shape.
This one?
Okay, this one. Oh, I think for a little bit one more. Adi, I'm gonna pick. It's gonna take too much. Okay. So now on this one, because this is going to be layered, we can't put the second one right away. So what we'll do is that I think we are already, very close to our time for this video. We're just going to pour the glycerine soap in another 5-10 minutes, and then maybe in our next video show how it comes up and then do the packing. All right. Thank you. Say bye.
Say bye.
For now.